What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Crucial, and today we got Shiftknobs.
We got some likewise Shiftknobs.
Alright, let's go open them up.
Yep.
Alright, so this one's over here is mine, and that is Nate's. Nate's gonna go ahead and open his first.
Yep. I've already cut it open, but just to make sure everything is inside. But right now we have the Daytona. Let's see what else is in there. We got stickers, and what you need is, for the 2013 FRS, you need some adapters. There should be a guide. I can also post a link in the description if you need that. But yeah, here's the Daytona, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open quans. Let's see what we got here. So on quans, we got the Thicc Boi. Oh wow, this is actually a lot heavier than mine.
Yeah, I think it's 500 grams.
Yeah.
How much is yours?
I don't know. But yeah, Quan got the Thicc Boi, and he also has some adapters here that come with it. We'll also leave the link in the description if you guys need that. So it comes with all the same stuff. Let's go ahead and head inside the BRZ, and we're gonna put this bad boy in. Right, Quan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
So I already went ahead and opened up the box. This is what it's gonna look like. The Thicc Boi, nice little logo. I got it in black, which I believe is around $15 extra. And it comes with, or it doesn't come with this adapter. It's $30 extra. I believe this is the collar adapter for this generation only. And so how we're gonna start, we're just gonna unscrew this, the stock shift knob. Okay. There you go. So first we're going to install the collar. It's pretty easy, you just twist it on. It's not really a locking mechanism to it, you just twist it. And then you don't want to go all the way too down because you still need to engage the lockout mechanism, but I think for this one we can go all the way down because it'll be fine for the reverse lockout. Next we got to install this. For this one you do need a wrench. Super simple, you just screw it on. Okay, and then you lock it with the wrench. Let's go ahead and make sure the reverse lockout still works, which is good. And we're gonna go ahead and screw this on. So right now you can't see from that side, but we have to I want the logo facing towards this way, so I can see that it's more towards the front. So what I'm gonna do, this bag comes with what is this, the hex screw?
Yeah.
Or Allen key.
Yeah.
And then since it's facing more towards that way, I'm gonna spin it towards this way. Okay? And then you just screw it back on. And then tighten it, and it should be facing the correct way. Super simple. That's how you do it. It's already on, secure. You can already tell it feels a lot more smoother. Since this is 500 grams, and this is probably like what, maybe 150. I don't know about that. Don't quote me. But yeah, that's the install for the Thicc Boi. Super nice, super thick. Nice
It's
little
really
play.
good. Especially with those dog tags.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go install yours now.
Alright, cool.
Alright guys, so since my car is the first generation, we just have different adapters. We don't need like all that fancy stuff that Quan needed. Just good old twist-ons. So all I have to do is, again, twist off the shift knob.
Yeah, you worked that knob.
Oh yeah. Alright, and oh, forgot to open this. Not sponsored by Spyderco. Comes right out, and ooh, let me point out the camera.
Sexy.
The Daytona. Wow. It's really nice. It has a good like weight to it.
You think it's heavier than your stock one?
Way heavier.
Yeah, that's good.
And
But not as heavy as mine?
definitely not. Yours is way heavier. I was like, yours actually like feels really nice. Alright, so we have the disco bits on here. This is basically what allows you to put the shift knob in without like this weird part sticking out, and that you're able to release the reverse lockout. So when you put it in, you want to make sure the flat sides are facing towards the bottom and not like this. Not like this, but like this. So you twist that in. And do be aware that you guys do need a wrench for this. So just make sure it's on there nice and tight. Alright. That's pretty much on there. And you gotta do the same for this. You just wrench it on. And you take the shift knob and you just put it on. Well, I put it upside down, but you guys get it. Yo, so this is what the Daytona looks like. It has these nice grips. I actually really like this a lot. I'm gonna fix it later, but damn, that looks sick.
Yeah.
Feels good. You can just hold it like that. Wow.
Alright, so that does it for this quick little install video. Thank you for joining us.
Yep. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Any feedback matters to us. I hope you guys enjoyed the little install. We can do like a driving review video some other time, but we'll catch y'all in the next one.
Peace.